First and foremost, I do really appreciate the way you present. But if given the chance and the opportunity to represent Cadiz City in the regional level, so may I suggest to you that you need to make use of your innovation. Such as for example, nagbitbit ka naman lang gid sang roleta dira, make use of it. For example, you introduce your innovation as Bagani, which is very, very interesting. I am thinking, sir, na you will make use of that bingo in your presentation. For example, gaan mo kami diri bingo card. And then mapagwa ka da sang numero. And then I am also expecting, as a math teacher, you will do the plotting. Plotting. For example, nagwa ka da, sir, sang 43 sa letra sang N. 43. O, ang 43, sir, hambalon mo mga bata, okay, sino dira ang may 43 sa inyo bingo card? I-plot ninyo. Because they are playing a bingo. Yes, and there should be a winner after. Kaya gina-introduce mo, sir, sa bata that that learning is actually enjoyable.
Yes, sir.
In a sense that there is a game and there is a reward.
Yes, sir.
I do really appreciate the way you present kaina nga naghambal ka before mo ga-introduce ang numeracy, ihambalan mo anay sila, ano ni nga letter, ano ni mag-sound sang letter. Can you give example sang mga bagay nga naga-start sa letter D, for example? That is what we call integrative teaching.
Yes, sir.
Which is very good, sir.
Yes,
You
sir,
integrate other subjects in mathematics. For example, sir, this is not new to me. In science, we have this what we call StarGo. Do ala bingo man siya, sir.
Yes, sir.
But what we did in StarGo is that, mahambal kami sa bata, tangla ka mo sa langit, ano ni nga constellation, masabat ang bata, Orion. O sa inyo nga StarGo, may Orion ka mo dira, batuhan ninyo. So I am expecting, sir, as your innovation bingo, dapat ipagwatagid, sir, ang bingo nga hampang. Pero kay mga bata sila do kadelikado. That is why ginislan mo sa ngalan, Bagani. Which
Yes,
is
sir.
very good. My question is, that is actually more of appreciation. But my question is, upon looking at the figures, sang non-numerates, kung aton lang tawon, sir, gamay lang man sila, sir, di ba, sir?
Yes, sir.
From
17.
actually, gamay lang gid, 6, daso na gamay-gamay, no? Naga-decrease. But actually, sir, you were not able to hit your goal. What is your goal? Dapat wala, sir, non-numerates. So, upon looking at the figure sa imong post test, there is still one numerates. What is now your intervention? That is my question.
Yes. Actually, pamangkot na during district level, sir. Kanong intervention ko sa isa ka nabilin. Actually, sir, sa isa nga nabilin sina, kung ako lang pamangkuton, sir, ha, makonsidered ko na siya nga numerate. Just because ng time allotment sa guidelines, hindi ko siya ma-consider. But of course, all I have to do, even wala ko sa intervention, kay every day before isang klase, after isang klase, gapa-memorize ko sa ila, sir. Table 1 to table 10. At the same time, hindi kagwa ang bata kung hindi ka kasaulo ka-memorize sang table of multiplication, subtraction, or something basic mathematics problem. Yes, sir. That is one of my intervention in regards with this.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations in advance.
Very much welcome, sir. Thank you.